Welcome to Mobile Car Mechanic. Today we're going to show you how to change the cabin air filter on this 2004 4Runner. It's going to apply from 2003 all the way to 2009. Let's get to it. Alright, in order to access the cabin air filter, we're going to go ahead and open up the glove box. You are going to have a dampener over here that has a screw in it. It's a Phillips head. Just going to go loosen that up. Okay, and this loops into it, so we're just going to set that to the side. Then we're going to squeeze the sides here. Squeeze hard, because it's going to fight you. Now, where we're going to be working at is in here. So there's a tab here and a tab here. I believe, I can't really see it that well. I'm going to pinch this tab and then pull outward. Okay, it looks like there is a tab here too. Pinch that, and then we're going to go pull it outward. Okay, so it looks like it's a frame. So you can see this needs to be replaced. We're waiting on the filter, so we're just going to dump this out. Just wanted to show you how to do it. When putting in the replacement filter, this looks like a different style. Typically on most cabin air filters, there's an arrow pointing down or pointing for the airflow. So in this case, it tells you the airflow is up, and this is the orientation of that filter. Once we replace it, so you're just going to pull it out just like that. It's a very flimsy material, but there's like little catches here to hold it in place. Okay. And then you'll see that those little catches will keep the filter down. So that one, now that we have it in place, I'm going to go ahead and insert it. And we'll push it until we hear it click. Okay, now that that's in place, we're going to push this in. Now that that's in place, and then we'll put the dampener in. Just it loops around there. And that's it, we're done. Just close the box. Boom. Thank you for watching Mobile Car Mechanic. Today we just showed you how to change the cabin air filter on this 2004 4Runner. It's going to apply from 2003 all the way to 2009. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.